Hello everyone. Today we'll be working on creating U-turns as per our guidelines in India. So here is one area in Tamil Nadu where there are a couple of U-turns that are quite unique. So let's get onto it. Please keep in mind this is for level 4 editors and above. So if you are below that and you find a place like this, please share the permalink that we do from this link. We've talked about it before. You take this copy and send it to a level 4 or above. Thank you. So to start this one, I hope you can see we will go into 21 on the zoom level. Now, there is a dotted line here. So what we will do is we'll create the first break at this point, because this is the first time a Wazer can make this turn and take it all the way here. Now, in this case, the right is also possible. Normally, we would cut a 90-degree and make the turn here. But I've been told by a local Wazer that we can make a right turn here. So in this case, we will connect it at this point. So it allows us to make the right turn as well as the U-turn. Step 2, please notice the traffic island coming from the other side does not have an extra lane for the car to slow down. So in this case, we will have to take a regular road starting from the yellow point, because if you're coming from the primary street, you can make a right over here. So what we will do here is we will start from this point and connect it straight on the opposite end. Now, please don't forget, what we need to do here is name these two as U-turns. The city name is fine. You need to change the road type to whichever one you're connected. In this case, it is the freeway. Both of them should be one direction from A to B. Please add default speed limit at 30 so that when the Wazer crosses this point, they would get an alert to slow down, and mark it to the same level as the roads that they're connecting to. Once that part is done, you now need to check for the arrows. So checking this part, we have a green arrow that tells us that you're turning right. Please change the right turn to keep right. Then on this part, you need to turn this to U-turn. You can leave this one as it is because it will default give you turn right. You should turn this one off because we don't want cars going off in this direction. Otherwise, Waze will give a very weird route from here. On the opposite side, we want this U-turn to be taken. We want the straight to be allowed. From this side also, we want this to be taken. And this is already a U-turn with speed limit of 30. So you click save. And it's done for this part. Again, suggestion, please always check for the connecting arrows after you've saved it. This side, you can go in all three directions. This side is correct to make the turn, and the other side as well. Moving on to the opposite end, which is the opposite of this one. Look, there is a traffic island on this side that allows you to make that turn, and there is no traffic island on this side. And we have a side road connecting as well. So we'll do exactly the same part here. We make the first connection at the dotted line because there's a solid line after that. We go here. You can extend this one a little bit, and then you can connect it here. So the person can make a right. For making the opposite turn, you can create a road here that connects to this side. Again, label both of them as U-turn. You can leave the city name on. Click apply, change the street type to the one you're connecting. In this case, it's purple, so that's freeway. Directions should be A to B, speed limit 30 for all U-turns. It's equal level lock, save. Once you're done with that, let's go back and check the arrows. We want this one to say keep right. So put that as a voice prompt. Once that is done, you can make a right. You should override this one to U-turn and turn this one off. We don't want that weird routing again. check from this side, you can go left and make the U-turn, and the U-turn allows you to take a right. So this one is done as well. So when there is a traffic island, we use this road type and reduce. When there is no traffic island on this side, we use a regular one. Now, last thing here, you are taking a left here, this will be automatically announced. You can force here to have a keep right. And then here, avoid the U-turn. Because when someone will take a right turn here, if you make it on this arrow, it will announce the U-turn here. So what we'll do in this case is we will override this one to U-turn. So the person actually taking the U-turn along this will get the U-turn prompt over here. And the person taking a right and then this U-turn will not get the U-turn prompt. So keep that in mind. Let's check that for the previous one. I don't think we did that there. So this one needed to be U-turn. And this one we can leave as regular because for the person coming from the primary street, we just get a turn right notification. So that's how we do U-turns in India. Good luck, enjoy. And if you are level 3 or below, this is what you'll be doing soon. Thank you.